Hey guys and gals in video land, it's Bortone, and this week we are talking about the who, what, when, where, and why and how of video, answering some of your most frequently asked questions about video, like how do you target a video, what should you say in a video, when's the best time to post your video. Today we're talking about the what. So the what is arguably the most important part of your video because it's really the message, and you want to be obviously on message and on target. So when you think about the what of your video, think about what is the overall purpose of the video you're creating, what action do you want the viewer to take, and what will you say to get your viewer to take that action. So a couple tips to do that. First of all, you want to make sure that you're very clear on your call to action. For instance, my call to action on these videos is watch the next one, watch the series, send me an email if you have any questions, engage with me. You also want to get right to the point, respect your viewers' time and attention. I'm trying to keep all of these videos under a couple minutes. Also, it helps to work backwards from your call to action and make sure that everything in that video leads to that desired action. Another what to consider is what's in it for them. Keep in mind the viewer's motivation and always be thinking about, is this interesting and compelling to my viewer? And last, tell the viewer what you want them to do next. This is your call to action. You have to be really specific in that. So I could say, if this video was on YouTube, I could say, hey, be sure to subscribe to get my other videos, or follow me on Facebook. Whatever that call to action is, be really specific about it. And for this one, for my call to action, I'm going to tell you to watch your email and tune in tomorrow for another video in this series of your videos, questions answered. That's it for now. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.